To add a deposit invoice, go to List Rental Agreement module. Choose the relevant rental agreement. Click on the Invoice tab. Go to the Deposit Invoices table and click on the Add icon. Type in the required details. After clicking on the Save button, you should see the draft of the invoice. Click on Submit button, and you will be asked to confirm. Click Yes to confirm. To receive the deposit, fill in the payment details and click on the Receive button. The amount due will now be reflected as 0. To create a rental invoice, from the List Rental Agreement screen, choose the relevant rental agreement. Go to the Invoice tab and click on the Add Rental Invoice button. The rental period range is based on the rental information specified in the rental agreement. The invoice item is automatically generated based on the rental rate and period specified. Click on the Save and Submit button. The rental invoice has been created. To generate batch invoice, go to the Account Receivable module and choose Batch under Invoice menu. Enter the name and the date, and click Save. Click on the Generate icon. Update the details in which RA batch invoices are to be generated. Then click Submit. The system retrieves the details of the RAs that meet the criteria. Select the relevant rental agreements and click Create. The invoices generated are drafts, but you can choose to submit the invoice. Click on the invoice number. Then click Submit. Click Yes to confirm the submission. The invoice is now submitted.